Yo, this is Hurricane Irene, man. This bitch, she came and attacked us, took all our power. Yeah, he's upset at me right now. He don't want to talk to me. Cause I ain't let his ass go to sleep.
Lil don't know how to fucking sleep, dude. The niggas dying up.
There is a fucking dog out here. It smell like a wet poodle.
The dog next to him, he got like 7 bulldogs.
That's why I stink so fucking bad. Look at this man. Getting our ribs, our mashed potatoes, some corn.
Yo, let's have a relay race, Reggie. Yo,
I'ma lose this relay race.
That's what he said, bro. I'm eating.
Nah, look at this though. Nah, I'll be there. I just want to check out the weather, man. Like, this is crazy. This is supposedly Hurricane Irene. But man, look, it's a fucking mess. Ain't really bad. But yo, we about to get another segment going right now. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get inside, man. Y'all take it easy.